And India's domestic air travel is set to get even more costlier. The government has withdrawn the 18,000 rupees airfare cap, which was imposed in December 2025. And as you would remember, this was during the Indigo-led disruption. Well, the cap, excluding taxes and fees, was introduced to protect passengers from price spikes during operational instability. With flight schedules now normalized across airlines, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has allowed a return to market-driven pricing. However, carriers have been asked to ensure fares remain reasonable, transparent and aligned with market conditions. The government has also made it clear that any unjustified surge in ticket prices during peak demand or disruptions will be closely monitored, and fare caps would be reintroduced if required in public interest. Now, the removal of fare caps comes at a time when airlines are facing a sharp increase in operating costs. Aviation turbine fuel prices have surged significantly, and a weakening rupee has made dollar-denominated expenses like leasing and maintenance more expensive. With no relief on ATF excise duty or state-level VAT, airlines have already begun adding fuel surcharges to tickets. Industry bodies have warned that prolonged price controls were putting financial pressure on carriers, with rising costs threatening profitability and, in some cases, viability. While airlines have now the flexibility to increase fares, pricing is expected to remain demand-sensitive. Higher ticket prices could dampen passenger demand, limiting the extent of fare hikes, and industry executives say that the full financial impact of rising fuel costs will likely be felt in the coming weeks, suggesting a gradual increase in fares rather than a sharp spike. Meanwhile, international airfares remain elevated due to reduced capacity, especially on westbound routes.